am Yang Quanqiang, founder of Dzhou Borui Precision Engineering. Welcome to Borui Precision. Founded in 2014, our company has spent more than a decade focusing on one mission: the innovation and manufacturing of precision machine tool accessories. We provide high-accuracy, high-stability solutions for both CNC and manual lathes. At Borui Precision, our products revolve around two major series. First, the CNC collet series, including SK, DC, and multiple customized types. Second, the CNC tool holder series, covering BT and HSK interfaces 30, 40, and 50, with support for personalized clamping designs. Now, let's step into the core of Borui Precision, our intelligent manufacturing workshops. Here, every product goes through its full journey, from R&D to machining, inspection, and delivery. In our CNC tool holder workshops, we operate advanced machines imported from overseas. These enable full process automation, boosting efficiency while ensuring accuracy and machining stability. Every production step is paired with its own inspection process. Our goal is simple: to deliver consistent, reliable quality in every single piece we produce. In our collet machining area, collet precision machinery includes internal grinding and cylindrical grinding. Afterwards, every piece enters an independent inspection zone for a second precision check before shipment. All finished products undergo full process cleaning and a strict final inspection. With sufficient inventory, we support 24-hour fast shipping to keep customer lead times on track. From a small workshop to today's modern, intelligent manufacturing base, we have always adhered to two principles: quality first, and innovation as our foundation. Welcome to Borui Precision. We look forward to creating more possibilities together.